Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of resetting your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender back to its factory default settings. This method is ideal if you're experiencing connectivity issues or simply want to start fresh with a clean setup. Resetting your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender returns it to factory settings, eliminating any misconfigurations or issues. This process helps restore optimal performance and troubleshoot network problems, ensuring a fresh start for reconfiguration and improved reliability for faster and stable connection. To begin, plug your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender into a functioning power outlet. Give it a moment to fully power up. Once the power LED turns solid, it indicates that the device is on and ready for the reset process to start. Next, locate the reset button on your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender. It's typically a tiny pinhole found on the side or underneath the device. To press it, you'll need a small, pointed tool such as a paperclip, pin, or SIM ejector. Take your paperclip or similar pointed tool and gently press and hold the reset button on the extender for around 10 seconds. You'll notice the LED indicators blinking or turning off, which confirms that the device is now performing a factory reset process. After releasing the reset button, wait patiently for about 1 to 2 minutes as the extender reboots. When the power LED lights up solid again, the reset process is successfully complete. Your LNKOO Wi-Fi extender has now been restored to its original factory settings. Your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender is now fully reset and ready for a fresh setup, just like when you first unboxed it. You can now choose between setting it up manually through your device or using the quick and convenient WPS method. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experts is available to help. Do not hesitate to reach out for comprehensive support and guidance. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt service and reliable solutions. And that's it, you've successfully reset your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.